And there was a reason why in the Middle Ages kings had court jesters, right? People who could speak the truth without any risk. And the higher you climb in an organization, the less you want that. You don't want people telling you what you do is problematic because you have been right so often. Otherwise, you wouldn't be the CEO or the CFO. And everyone who tells you what you do is problematic could also be someone who wants your job, is a threat. So you surround yourself by psychopaths, people who always tell you what you do is great and amazing. So you lose contact with reality over time. Having a court jester would help organizations, I think.
Now that's the Godfather films where Marlon Brando's got Robert Duvall as the consigliere, the person that can say something out without waking up with a horse's head in the bed next to him. That's an important role. Yeah, that court jester, that they're not in the fool's conversation is the truth. Yeah, I think that's really interesting. Have you ever come across, by the way, the post office scandal in the UK?
I'm reading this one, or I'm analyzing this one right now with my own students. Yes,
Nick Wallace's book, The Great Post Office Scandal,
yes, I read this
is
book.
Great.
It's a cool scandal. I love this scandal. I love this scandal. It would have been in the book, but it came too late. So
No. I mean, it's just when I had him on the podcast about a year before it broke, probably in the UK. And I kind of knew about it, but didn't. And I just spent an entire hour going, really? No. What? Well, has anybody gone to jail yet? No. I just. Yeah. So it's for those of you, again, if you're US based maybe or whatever, you may not have come across. I mean, Guido's done some brilliant kind of points of reference, but that's also another one that will blow your mind if you get into it.